Living in a small space does not mean you have to live small. With the right design, 400 square feet can feel like 1,000. Here are the solutions that make small spaces feel massive. The first rule: every piece must do more than one job. A wall-mounted folding table becomes your desk during the day and your dining table at night. When you are not using it, it folds flat against the wall and the space returns to you. The same logic applies to bedrooms. A Murphy bed, which folds up into the wall, transforms a bedroom into a living room in seconds. With just 2 movements, your entire home changes. In small spaces, you must look up. Walls are your most valuable storage real estate. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets offer 3 times more storage than cabinets that stop at eye level. Open shelving provides storage without making the space feel heavy. But remember, open shelving must stay organized. Everything you display becomes part of the design. Mirrors are the most powerful weapon for small spaces. A large mirror can make a room feel twice its size. But the secret is not just mirrors, it is light. Thin framed windows that do not block natural light visually expand the space. Using blinds instead of curtains preserves the full size of the window. Layered lighting is also essential. Instead of a single overhead light, wall sconces and floor lamps add depth to the room. Colors directly affect how we perceive space. Light colors push walls back and make a room feel larger. White, cream, and light gray are essential for small spaces. But a single color can feel flat. Using different shades of the same color creates depth without clutter. Here is a key tip. Painting the ceiling one shade lighter than the walls makes the ceiling feel higher. The space instantly feels more open. Putting small furniture in a small space is not always the right answer. One large piece often works better than several small ones. For example, a single large sectional sofa looks cleaner than 2 small chairs scattered around. Lifting furniture off the floor also matters. Pieces with visible legs allow the floor to continue visually, which makes the room feel larger. Heavy furniture that sits directly on the floor shrinks the space. If you cannot remove walls physically, you can remove them visually. Glass partitions separate spaces without closing them off. Translucent panels or room dividers create the same effect. Using the same flooring throughout also unifies the space. When the kitchen, living, and dining areas share the same floor, the eye sees continuity and the space feels larger. In small spaces, storage means everything has a home. Use forgotten areas like under the stairs, under the bed, and under the sofa. Over-the-door organizers clear your countertops. Drawer dividers keep everything visible and accessible. Remember, clutter makes a space feel smaller than it actually is. An organized home always feels more spacious. Small spaces are actually big opportunities. They free you from unnecessary possessions. They teach you to live with only what you need. With the right design, every square foot can work hard for you. And most importantly, a small space is more than enough for a big life. How many square feet is your home? Which small space solution would you try first?